In this video, I'll share with you my top hacks or methods for becoming way more efficient as a product manager. Let's start. Any product manager knows that time is king and you need to be efficient, right? So, for example, what if I tell you that you can do competitor analysis in fraction of the time? Sounds good, right? So I've got plenty of tips, and let's move to tip number 1. This is for sure one of my favorites, and the idea here is to use GPT in order to analyze quickly videos and digest their knowledge in order to save time. So in this example, I'm heading to monday.com platform demo just for the sake of the example and clicking on show transcript. All I'm going to do is basically to copy paste all the transcript and just paste it into GPT. Then I can analyze that using GPT. In the prompt, I'm actually asking GPT to create a list of discussed features and then rate them by the percentage of time they were discussed in this video. This will actually give me the primary features that Monday actually think that are the most important ones. Now all left to do is just to review the results, and that's it. And we've done it really quickly, right? So I'm using this quite a lot for doing compare analysis, to do feature comparison, and way more in order to learn new stuff. I actually can tell you that I've done the same for creating this video when I looked on different videos that are relevant for this topic. Since we're already on YouTube, let me show you another cool thing that I'm using. I'm using that for digesting and analyzing any user feedback like testimonials or comments, but let me show how I do it on YouTube. I'm actually using here a Chrome extension for grabbing all of the comments in this video. As you can see, there are quite a lot. And I'm doing it in one click. I'll share the link in the description. Then I'm actually taking all of this output that I'll create from these comments and pasting it into GPT. And then I'm asking GPT to analyze those comments and get the sentiments that are mostly raised by users. Or, for example, if it's a YouTube video, let's say I can ask what are the top things that people are asking for, and then actually address them in my videos or my products, etc. As you can see here, I'm pasting the prompt here, and then I'm actually getting these results. You can also use GPT as a co-pilot in order to understand use cases and user stories for your products. In this example, I won't dig into user stories, but it can definitely be done. But if you would focus on use cases, so I'm giving the context to GPT. As you can see, I want to create a dashboard for SaaS product that help understanding market performance in YouTube, and I'm also discussing the persona, and I'm asking, please suggest the most important use cases that should be addressed in such a dashboard, right? So I'm getting here, as you can see, the relevant use cases. Some of them are more relevant, some of them are less. And then what I'm asking, so this actually helped me to think quicker. And then I actually asked GPT to provide the top 5 questions that this dashboard should address according to the data that we just discussed. And as you can see, I'm getting the questions. And then I can also understand in the next phase how to address them using my dashboard, right? And to actually create user stories around them. You probably know this moment when you're about to start working on a presentation. You might need it for, I don't know, like a meeting, and you want to deliver an idea or feature, right? So I'm using GPT for that in order to create the structure and digging into specific content pieces. So as you can see here, I'm actually giving some context in the prompt. So basically want to kick off a redesign project for a learning platform. I'm actually explaining more about the platform and what I'm trying to achieve, and who are going to participate in this meeting in order to give more context, in order to be really specific with the slides that we'll suggest. And then I'm asking GPT, please suggest the relevant slide titles as well as a bullet in each of them in order to deliver the main idea. So this is what I got back, as you can see, from the cover to the actual agenda. And then what I've done, but usually what I'm doing in this point, I'm actually reviewing and refining the content in order to be perfectly as I like it to be. And then what I'm doing, I'm actually digging into specific slides. And here's an example. I'm actually asking what would be the motivations for such redesign, as I want to ask this question to my clients. I want them to rate this, so it would be clearer for us why we're doing it, and then I can ask following questions. So I asked GPT to create such a list, and what I would, and you can see the deliverables. And what I'm about to do next is to ask GPT to maybe refine those more to be the top 5 that could impact the business, and then to organize them in a table and then deliver it back. And then I can basically copy paste it into my slides and then just present it. Yeah. So this is just an example. It's really useful. It's really useful when you creating slides and you're in a hurry, and I'm always in a hurry. So yeah, super cool idea. So to wrap it up, these are the methods that I enjoy using GPT for, that make me more efficient, that help me deliver my work. I have many more ideas that I can share. If you're interested, just let me know in the comments. I can dig more about this subject. And if you have your own ideas after using my methods or using different methods and you want to share them, feel free to let me know, as well as if you have other struggles or needs around that subject, let me know and I will create more content about that. So you can view my latest videos just about here. Feel free to do so. Until the next time, bye bye.